There is one more concept which I would like to show you under payment. But before that, I'll just remove the payment terms assigned in the customer master for this learning activity. So from SAP Easy Access, I'll go to accounting, financial accounting, account receivables, master records, and now just double click on FD02, that is change. And now I'll just enter the customer and company code and hit enter. Yes, the system will navigate us to the new window, and now under the company code data in the payment transaction tab, I'll just remove the payment terms because I don't want to give discount to this customer in our learning activity. Now you just save this. And then I'll just come back to SAP Easy Access screen by pressing the cancel button. Yes. To show you that, what I'll do is I will post one invoice. I'll use the SAP Easy Access. That is, go to accounting, accounts receivables, document entry, and here you have to double click on F-22, that is invoice general. In this new window, I'll just go ahead and proceed to posting the invoice for the amount of 70,000. Now the invoice document has been posted, and now I'll just switch back to FBL Find screen and verify the same. Now I'll make the partial payment for the amount of 30,000. For that, use the T code F-28 and I'll just proceed with posting. Create the partial payment in this screen for the amount of 30,000. No changes from what we have learned. The incoming partial payment has been posted for the customer. Now we can see the entries in both the report. And now, after the partial payment, we were proceeding to complete payment. Yes, now, after the partial payment, we were proceeding to complete payment. Let's say the user creates the partial payment of 40,000, that is for the remaining amount. Then, I'll just post the partial payment document for the amount of 40,000. Now the partial payment is done. Till now, we have posted the two payments, that is one for 30,000 and another for 40,000, which is of total 70,000. As a normal understanding, the customer account should be clear. Is it not it? Yes. Now let's see what has happened in SAP. Now I'll just switch to FB Alpha and report screen, and now just go to list and click on refresh. If you see here, the total net amount is 0. So what is the total net amount? The total net amount is 0. But all the line items are showing as open. Yes, all the line items are showing as open. If you calculate, the total debit is 70,000. And the total credit is 30,000 plus 40,000, which is equal to 70,000. Both are equal. Now I'll just switch to FBL3 in screen as well. We can see the line items are open here as well. Why it has happened? Yes, why it has happened? This has happened because I did both the payments as partial payments instead of making the second payment as full payment. So during that time, what we have to do is we will do the posting in T code F-32 to clear the open items when the net due is 0. let me go to SAP Easy Access. Okay, first I'll just switch the screen where I made the payment, and now I'll just enter the /n in the command field and hit enter, so that this will take me to the SAP Easy Access screen. From here I'll just go to accounting, financial accounting, account receivables, and here I'll click on this account, and now I'll just double click on this clear. As I already said, you can also use the T code. So what is the T code? It is F-32. When you do this, that is when you double click on the clear or when you use the transaction code, the system will navigate us to the new window, wherein in this screen, just enter the account number. What you have to do? You have to just enter the account number and verify the company code and currency. And now click on the process open items. When you click on this process open items, the system will navigate us to the new window. And now in this screen, just click on the save button. And now let me show you the magic. What I'll do is I'll just switch to the FBL Finance screen and go to list and click on refresh. Yes, all the open lines will be cleared. So we can verify in FBL3 and report as well. As you can see, all the open items are now clear. Now, if you remember, there was a document which was created when we did the posting in F-32 T code screen. Do you remember that? Yes. Now, let me just switch back to F-32 screen, and here what I'll do is I'll just go to document and then click on display. As you can see, the entries here are blank. Yes, the entries are blank. That means no new account entries are created. Only the blank document which is created to clear the existing account entries. In this way, we clear the accounting document.